We are tracking the tropics. We're tracking Hurricane Matthew now, a Category 4 hurricane as a 5 a.m. advisory, tracking west at 7 miles per hour. The pressure is still dropping 942 millibars, and right now it has maximum sustained winds of 155 miles per hour. Now, the latest forecast track takes it westward as a Category 4 hurricane, then downgrading to a Category 3 hurricane due to wind shear that it's going to encounter, and then it's going to make landfall near Jamaica as a Category 3 hurricane, then once again making landfall near Cuba on Wednesday, and then by Thursday it looks like it will be slowing down, so we will be feeling that some impacts by Wednesday and Thursday. Will be in the cone of uncertainty. As you can see, the forecast track shifted a little bit to the west and curving it to the northwest, but all the computer models are still showing an agreement that it will be curving to the north and going into the Bahamas, but some are still showing off the coast of West Palm Beach. So it's something that we are going to monitor very, very closely. So stay